Welcome to this NineFocus video. In this video we will unbox NineFocus. The contents may differ depending on the kit ordered. Here we show the combined pH, conductivity and dissolved oxygen kit, NF2340. Let's take out the top tray and put it aside for later. Inside the middle tray, the NineFocus base appears. Take it out, unwrap the instrument and place it on the bench. Next, remove the terminal, unwrap it, and place it on the NineFocus base. Unpack the terminal cable. Connect the terminal to the NineFocus base using the terminal cable. Make sure the connector is fully inserted. Insert the cable into the cable guide on the underside of the instrument. Open the back cover of the instrument and plug the terminal cable in. Now, it's time to take out the bottom tray containing the electrode arm EasyPlace. Take out the arm, remove the butterfly screws, fix the arm to the base by securing with the butterfly screws from the other side. Place it on the table next to NineFocus. Connect the electrode holder and place the extra electrode holder on top of the arm. Then attach the sachet holder to EasyPlace. Let's take the top tray of the box again. The modules are at the right side of the tray. In addition to the built-in digital module, you can increase capacity or add a parameter with up to 3 additional modules. Under the modules, you will find country-specific AC plugs. In the middle of the box, the standards, buffers, and oxygen tablets can be found. Let's place some sachets in the sachet holder. The DES cables are between the signal bridges and the sensors. Let's take a pH sensor. Unpack and place it on the EasyPlace electrode arm. Take a signal bridge box and unpack the pH signal bridge. Connect the pH signal bridge to the DES sensor. Let's take a cable and connect it to the NineFocus meter. Connect the cable to the signal bridge. Insert the cable into the cable guide of the EasyPlace electrode arm. Now connect the cable to the NineFocus base. Plug in the power plug at the base of NineFocus and connect it to the power supply. Finally, there's the complete setup with NineFocus and the pH sensor mounted on EasyPlace, ready for use.